Hello everyone, welcome in Royal Gun Live classes. So in this today's short and sweet videos of just 10 and 15 minutes, we will guide you through the new education policy 2020. Okay, so we'll give you just the highlights because 35 साल के बाद इंडिया ने काफ़ी अच्छा रिफॉर्म्स करा है, नॉट जस्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़, छोटी मोटी चीज़ें नहीं, बहुत बड़ी चेंजेस किया है एंड सर्टेनली एंड डेफिनेटली गोना हेल्प ईच एंड एवरी कॉर्नर ऑफ India's students, either they are from rural areas, urban areas. Okay, certainly gonna help because almost digitalize हुई है बहुत सारी चीज़ें, टेक्निकली काफ़ी ज़्यादा आगे बढ़ी है जो कि अदर कंट्रीज से भी हम लोग को आगे करेगा. ओके, थैंक यू. सो लेट्स कीप वाचिंग. सो फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट, here the first point you can see it here कि मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट नाउ, जो उसकी नाम थी ना वो चेंज होकर हो गई मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एजुकेशन. ओके, नाउ इन अ सेकेंड पॉइंट government is invested around 4.4% of their GDP in earlier 2020, but government is kind of investing around 1.6% higher than earlier 2020 era. Okay, so that's good news. In a third point you could see कि यूनिवर्सल एक्सेस, मतलब आप सब जगह की किताबें एक्सेस कर सकते हैं. ना फोर्थ पॉइंट, जो करिकुलम था पहले क्या था कि काफ़ी ज़्यादा लोडेड था, हैवी लोडेड ना सब्जेक्ट वाइज, सिलेबस वाइज, फार्मूला वाइज, हाईली इंटेंसिव एक्टिविटी. नाउ गवर्नमेंट हैज़ रिड्यूस देयर फार्मूला सिस्टम, रिड्यूस देयर kind of syllabuses and given you some sort of extra work over the curriculum activities and a critical thinking and a analysis part that will certainly boost your brain power. Okay, you will learn on your own by analyzing the things, that will certainly help that. Anyways, so moving to the next part. So in the next part you could see a replacement process. So in earlier time there the 1 to 10 process and a plus 2 process. Okay, so now it is replaced by 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. What it actually mean is, we'll give you the brief introduction over these photos. Okay, so as you could easily kind of understand all the things. So let us see. I am zooming in. So in earlier time, just before 2020, what's happened is कि आप class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on so forth till 10th, you're just completing one by one and giving each and every exams right after one completion of the classes. Okay, in a 1 year. So but now there is a shift in the rule, shift in the change, shift in the year. In a 2020 shift, there is a 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. It means कि in the first 5 years you are having 3 years of Anganwadi school, that's called preschool era, and just after completion of 3 years you are having 2 years primary schools, means you will go for the first and a second. Okay, so in this time your age will be around 3 to 8 years, that's called the foundation stage. After completion of that era, so you will move to the preparatory stage. You could see it here, you will in a first line this and a second line this. Okay, so we'll give you the accessibility point. So there are the preparatory stage. So in a grade 3 and a 5 you will be kind of age of around 8 to 11. Okay, and your class will be 3, 4, 5. Okay, so here is the next part. So after this completion of this, you will be in class 6, 7 and 8. 6, 7 and 8 will be around age of 11 to 14 years of age. After completion of middle stage, you will be redirected to the secondary stage, means class 9 से लेकर 12 तक. Okay, it will be in a 2 phase, break up into the 9th and 10th part in the first line and 11th and 12th in the second line. Okay, so that's the main thing. Now moving on to the next part. Okay, so here are the line, so you could go in a faster way and you could learn over here कि कोई भी तरीके के सेपरेशंस नहीं हुए, नो एनी सेपरेशंस, जो भी कुछ एक्स्ट्रा एक्टिविटीज़ थे. नाउ आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन्ड कि इन अ क्लास 1, 2 and 3 you are giving each and every time classes after completion of 1 years, but now there is a shift in the change कि you will have to give the examination only in a class 3 5 and 8. Okay, till 8 you have to give just 3 exams, first in a 3, 5 and 8. Now, and there will be a board exam for the class 10th and the 12th. So you could see it here. Okay, so there is a assessment process. That's a simple process. Okay, and there is a very important point coming from the government point of views कि 360 holistic program. Okay, it means कि your friend will assess you on behalf of how you are kind of attending your class, कितनी आप क्लास में engagement करते हो, अच्छे पढ़ते हो, नहीं पढ़ते हो, झगड़ा भी करते हो. Okay, so there are a heck lot of points, so please don't get high intention with your friends. अच्छी दोस्ती बनाए रखें, that will certainly give you the extra marks. Okay, so moving to the next part. Okay, so let's select the pin first. So we'll guide you through the kind of process and a step. So there are the issues in just 2020 before line कि ना जो बच्चे the students belonging from the rural areas having the tremendous amount of barriers or languages कि they don't having any sort of accessible in the schools कि they can learn very early in a very fast way. So they are not willing to accept the school education in the earlier time. Even parents is kind of not willing to give their child into the school line. So to kind of break out that barriers, government has taken a very good initiatives. Initiative is कि in a class preschool to the 5 class you are having access of your own regional languages. So let us suppose you are from the Bihar, भोजपुरी की हाल चाल से हो, खाला पीला कि ना, ठीक है. So you can use your regional languages. So your teacher will prepare the materials and a subject matter, okay, as accordingly your regional language. Okay, that will boost up your knowledge because you will not feel any sort of pressure. You will have to mug up formulas, kind of vocabularies, this and this, so on and so forth. So certainly it's gonna help in a better way. कुछ critics हैं महानुभाव, ठीक है, जो कि नेता बनते हैं, बोलते हैं कि ये क्यों. Certainly right after class 5 certainly and definitely you should learn English because each and everything will in English languages. Okay, either you are opting for the coding, this everything here, everything. Okay, so I am not kind of opposing of any sort of thing, but class 5 तक कोई ज़्यादा नुकसान नहीं होता. You can learn, it's your own choice. ठीक है, ये गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से प्रेशर नहीं है. दिस विल बी योर चॉइस. जो करना करो अपना. इंग्लिश सीखना इंग्लिश सीखो, चलेगा ना. emphasis on a mathematics and a computational thinking. It means कि मैथमेटिक्स में बिहारी थोड़े से ज़्यादा ही तेज़ होते हैं, ठीक है. आई एम नॉट फेवरिंग द बिहारी बट सर्टेनली इट्स सीन इन इंडिया वाइड मूवमेंट की बिहारी हैविंग सम सॉर्ट ऑफ हायर डेप्थ ओवर द मैथमेटिक्स एंड इंग्लिश जीरो बट्टा लुल्लो हो जाती, ठीक है. सो प्लीज ट्राई एंड इनहेंस दैट एक्टिविटीज़. वी आर काइंड ऑफ टेकिंग इट जनरली, ओके, नॉर्मली, बट स्पेसिफिकली किसी के पास कोई भी कम नहीं था, सब लोग आगे रहते हैं, ठीक है. जो जितना मेहनत करता होता है उसको. ओके, now so there are the big shift in a class 6th and big engagement of technology. So you could see it here. In a class 6th government have introduced coding. So I have gone through the white hat junior that are operating in the US and United Kingdom and India as well. That's kind of coding companies and that are providing class 1 to 12. Okay, so you could learn the coding in even class 1. So you could imagine that now government is not kind of giving the pressure any one of them. Government is shifting from 1 to in a 6th because USA have already moved into class 1 coding. Okay, so guys, be prepared with the coding because it's kind of engineering languages and certainly bit higher level. Okay, but it's good news coming from the government side. Let's see कि गवर्नमेंट थोड़ा सा रेडी है कि नहीं इसके लिए, ठीक है. रॉयल ज्ञान थोड़ा बहुत हेल्प करेगा यहाँ पे भी. कोडिंग के चक्कर में टेंशन नहीं लेना ना. मैंडेटरी वोकेशनल कोर्सेज होना 10 days इंटर्नशिप का मतलब क्या होती ना, जैसे क्लास 6, 7, 8 में आप हैं तो इंटर्नशिप मतलब क्या कि आप ना काम पे जा सकते हैं. यू विल हैव 10 and 15 days का लीव. यू कैन engage in a carpentry work or any sort of manufacturing companies. You just go there and learn some sort of valuable lessons from there. Okay, just try and get some sort of ideas how kind of machine is operating, how things is kind of operating in the market. Okay, you will get full-fledged ideas from the experts in uh, every fields. Okay, no one gonna stop you. Now last point you could easily relate with the Royal Gyan and all technical companies. Okay, online vocational courses will be made available. ऑनलाइन मतलब समझ ही रहो कि कहीं से भी भेजेगा, आपके घर पे आएगा. दैट्स काइंड ऑफ बेनिफिटेड फ्रॉम द ऑनलाइन थिंग्स. सर्टनली ऑनलाइन बढ़िया होती है, आज नहीं तो कल पता लगेगा ही. अभी जिसको लेट समझना वो लेट ही समझेगा ना. मेजर रिफॉर्म्स क्या सब हुए थोड़ा बहुत ये देख लीजिए कि जो हायर कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया था उसने क्या करा, रेगुलेटरी बॉडीज़ को एक ही बना दिया. ठीक है, पहले क्या था कि ना यार, लेट अस सपोज यू आर हैविंग द कॉलेज डिग्री दिस एंड दिस, so you are moving from one department to the another to take the signature to get your degree certificates in engineering especially. So we have having a lot heck of pain, because even by just kind of engaging with the signature, we'll have to wait for 2-3 days, even I could say 4 and 5 days, because in sometimes professor is not available in the colleges. So please wait for some time until unless professor will not reach at the college, you will not get any sort of signatures, and for the timing you'll have to wait for the signatures. Okay, so that's a good thing कि स्टूडेंट का टाइम बचेगा, that students save their times. Now there are the GER means, GER मतलब growth enrollment ratios. Okay, growth enrollment ratio, there is the GER line means government have seen कि dropping in their education systems, students is leaving college life से pre-academics because of barriers or financial issues, this and this on. There are a heck lot of issues are involved in the market. So for that government has given you the accessibility in a wide range, so take that and move on. Okay, now there is the fourth point. Okay, so government is setting the higher education like Oxford, जो भी इंटरनेशनल कॉलेजेज है उसको लाती है इंडिया में. ओके, दैट्स सर्टेनली गोना हेल्प. सब्सिडरी ब्रांच नहीं रहेगी इंडिया में. ठीक है, नाउ मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. ओके, सो इन अ यूजी मीन्स जो आप लोग ग्रेजुएशन करते हैं, अंडर ग्रेजुएट, दैट्स कॉल्ड यूजी. ओके, सो देयर द प्रॉब्लम इन द मार्केट, देयर द प्रॉब्लम इन द एजुकेशन सिस्टम just before 2020 is that, let us suppose you have seen कि कॉलेज ड्रॉप आउट है, फेल हो गया, बीच में छोड़ दिया पढ़ाई. देयर द हेक लॉट ऑफ college dropouts you will see around yourself. So for that, to kind of restrict and give some sort of extra advantage by giving their academic bank of credit system, that a student even after completion of 1 year they can engage their classes after completion of after leaving the class for some period of fixed time that are kind of assigned by the authority of the college, and they can come back to the college. They are having the options of digital locker, I could say academics bank credit systems, so they can store their systems and they can come back in the later stages. Now, so if you are kind of completing 1 year of course in an undergraduate, you will get the certificates. After completion of 2 years you will get diploma, and 3 years get degrees, and just successful completion of 4 years you will get degree along with a research paper. Okay, now that's all about degree paper. Now moving on to the post graduation and MTech part, I could say master degrees means post graduations. ठीक है, so it's a 1 degree and a 2 degree program. Okay, 1 degree and a 2 degree program means after completion of 1 degree you will get the 4 years UG degree, and 2 degree means independent PG gram, you will get the separate PG degree. Okay, now so there the master integration, मतलब आप थोड़ा सा आगे पढ़िएगा तो आपको पता लगेगा कि UG और PG को कनेक्ट करके दैट्स कॉल्ड द मास्टर डिग्री. दैट विल बी ऑफ ईयर्स 5 साल में आपको कंप्लीट करने पड़ते हैं. एंड देयर द ड्रॉप इन द एमफिल एरियाज. ठीक है, एमफिल को ख़त्म कर दिया गया. ओके, मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. ओके, सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन्ड कि क्रेडिट बेस्ड कोर्स. ठीक है, इन अ यूजी मीन्स कि यू आर हैविंग द चॉइस, यू कैन स्टोर योर credit into the digital locker, and if you are having any sort of financial issues or any burdens, coming at your side, you can leave the classes, you can leave the colleges, and you can engage with the works, whatever the choices you are having right at the moment. Just engage with that, and college will give you the flexibility of the time कि okay man, you can come back after some time and you can rejoin the classes. And that's kind of thank you गवर्नमेंट, दिल से धन्यवाद, बहुत अच्छा किया. बहुत सारे प्रेशर आते हैं लाइफ में, एंड लिटरली दिल से थैंक यू देता हूँ उसके लिए. हमने अपने सामने में देखा कि बहुत सारे लोग कॉलेज छोड़ दिए. ठीक है. पॉइंट नंबर 2, ABC. ABC मीन्स वही एकेडमिक बैंक ऑफ क्रेडिट. You will store in a digital locker and you will get awarded. Now moving to the third point, now faculty having their own choices, they can prepare their materials, textbooks on their own languages. Okay, they are having choice right now. In the fourth time, there are the NTA that are conducting right now JEE Mains exam as well. I could say my exam मैं भी प्रिपेयर कर रहा था. इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ फॉरेन ट्रेड, भारतीय व्यापार विदेशी संस्थान. My paper is also conducted by National Test Agency, NTA. Okay, and now certainly person will conduct your paper as well. Okay, so be prepared, because let us suppose कि in case you are having less percentage marks in the class 12, by taking the common admission examination, you are having the cumulative score to fetch the very best universities coming across in India. Okay, that will be the beneficial side, because you are having two options in hand. Now in the first point, okay, in the first point, research, because India lacking too much at the research point, that's why India is kind of moving towards to develop set up a research center in India, okay, to enhance their research skills. Now in the second point, you could easily identify there are digitization words, means कि इंडियन एजुकेशन सिस्टम इज नाउ लैकिंग टू मच, मीन्स टू मच, 3 मच, 10 मच बोल सकता हूँ आई कुड से, इन एवरी एरियाज, बिकॉज सिलेबस इज नॉट अपडेटेड टू द मार्क. You are reading the syllabus which are way older than the current running line of the industries, because of that there is a high loss in the job. There the no any skillful person coming from the college. That's why engineers having no values, doctors having no value, because of outdated syllabus, because no one give you the values over the outdated syllabus. So government kind of recognize that. That's kind of pretty well things, and giving the accessibility key. Let us digitize, give you the online permission and accessibility all around the world. You will have the access of global library, national library, I could say NPTEL. There are the heck lot of library that are running across the India, across the worldwide. You will get the full accessibility, and your own choice will work there. Hard and fast game, it will be in your court. Ball will be in your court. Read as much as possible. It depends on your caliber point. Okay, so now moving to the next point, there is the adult literacy. Okay, छोड़ो इसको. Now there is the thank you button, धन्यवाद बटन. ठीक है, कुछ और नई चेंजेज आए तो विल होपिंग फॉर द बेस्ट. इफ़ एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ एक्स्ट्रा चेंजेस, बिकॉज कैबिनेट हैज ऑलरेडी अप्रूव दैट. इफ़ एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ एक्स्ट्रा एडवांसमेंट है ना, काइंड ऑफ आई कुड से थोड़ा बहुत और मज़ा करना होगा तो देगा गवर्नमेंट. ठीक है, मेरे हिसाब से थोड़ा बहुत मेरी रिकमेंडेशंस तो ऐसी है कि विल सपोर्ट द गवर्नमेंट जस्ट क्लोज टू 100%. बट इट्स my opinion that if government have taken the procedure to just give you the extra emphasis on the English, okay, I could say give the extra permission to the English, arrange some sort of infrastructures, teachers on a higher level, give the shorter level prices. Okay, it's my opinion. Okay, you could leave the lectures, that's done, because I have given you the all kind of activity. But it's my personal opinion, because government have already given the not for profit activities, because private institute is charging a lot man. अच्छे बच्चे अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाते हैं. सो अच्छा किया कि प्राइवेट इंस्टीट्यूट को प्राइस को लो डाउन करवा दे. दैट्स प्रिटी गुड थिंग्स. नाउ देयर इज अ शिफ्ट इन 11th-12th कि जो कॉमर्स पे जो बाउंड्री लग जाती थी कि यू कैन नॉट ऑप्ट फॉर द कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम बाय जस्ट ऑप्टिंग फॉर द साइंस, कॉमर्स एंड आर्ट एंड वाइस वर्सा. Now that's a good point. You don't have any sort of boundaries. Okay, that's a pretty good point. You can either opt for the science subject along with the commerce and arts. It depends on the area of interest that you are having currently. Okay, and that's kind of boundaryless, seamless, I could say. Subject selection process, that's another good thing. So what I've seen is कि if government have given a more emphasis in an earlier stages over English by kind of arranging their infrastructure, arranging their management activities, giving the online mobile phone, laptop, whatever the things may be possible. Okay, we are not even dive into the GDP and all. It depends on the government pocket कितना है उसके पास. Okay, so if the person can arrange, okay, even the World Bank can arrange the World Education Forum, okay, give access to the students in a rural area, give the accessibility, like IIT Bombay have given, alumni of IIT Bombay have donated around 50 lakh रुपया सारे बंदे ने देके, they have distributed 1 laptops to the needy students. Okay, that's the good news. So there are the alumni support in the bigger universities and higher universities, but there is no any support in the local areas, in a gaon, in a village, and all. So if my request, if every kinds of citizens of India will give the contribution towards education sector by giving the जो थोड़ा बहुत contributions हो अगर दे गवर्नमेंट को, ठीक है, and can government access and give the access and arrange all the laptop desktop to the students of the rural areas. Okay, that's my personal opinion. Okay, because a student having the accessibility of 24/7 in the digitalization, because 95% of the India's countries in the data activity, because India's consumption a lot data consumption rate, and data मुकेश अंबानी जी ने बहुत ही कम कर रखा है चार्ज पे, ठीक है, highly cheaper price पे. So data is accessible all around the India. So why you are waiting for that? Please try and give one time investment to the early child, because साइकिल दे दे तो गाड़ी दे दे तो काहे के लिए देते हो, दे दो थोड़ा बहुत, लैपटॉप भी देना है तो, ठीक है. थैंक यू. एंड लैपटॉप नहीं तो मोबाइल दे दो, कुछ तो दे दो, प्रोजेक्टर लगा दो उधर जाके खूब जम के, जो प्राइवेट स्कूल ने लगा के रखा है. ओके, सो थैंक यू. दैट्स माई रिकमेंडेशन टू द गवर्नमेंट. इफ़ my video kind of reach and you can support my videos to give the hashtag, government can give the laptop and a desktop at your side to access the all digital library right at the beginning of the class, and that will give you the tremendous help, and you will have the full fledged, because government have introduced class 6 in a class 6 coding. यार कोडिंग जब तक मोबाइल लैपटॉप नहीं रहेगी तो कोडिंग करोगे नहीं, कहाँ से लाओगे लैपटॉप. क्लास 6 में 4 बच्चे रहते यार, not feasible at the government parent side ki they can buy 30,000 40,000 rupees का laptop to just give the class 6 student engage in the coding classes. That's not feasible my boy, ठीक है. पेरेंट भी सुनेगा तो बोलेगा यार नहीं पढ़ाना छोड़ दो. So if government can arrange a laptop, because I have seen a big company while we are kind of registering in the white hat juniors, okay, they are given with the access key. Okay man, you certainly have the laptop accessibly right at the moment, otherwise we will not give you the coding classes right now, and they are charging a lot man. So please fix the charges, because higher level market are charging a lot man. Okay, so please lower that and give the accessibility of one laptop if possible. That's my request. If possible, we are not even dive into your pocket and होगा कि नहीं होगा, बट रिक्वेस्ट तो है ज़रूर. थैंक यू गाइस. थोड़ा लेट नाइट वीडियो बनाया, वॉइस क्लब्स कर रही होगी तो आई एम सॉरी फॉर दैट, एंड थैंक यू. कीप शेयरिंग, ठीक है. थोड़ा सा लेट बनाया हूँ. थैंक यू.